Now we will revise SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. Okay, 1992. Why SEBI is established? Sai?
Sir, voice is breaking. Sir.
Why SEBI established?
Yes. Earlier days there were no proper acts to regulate the securities trading, sir. In order to properly regulate and to promote and to form certain rules and regulations, SEBI has been established, sir.
What are the three objectives?
To protect the investors, to regulate the intermediaries, and then to promote the securities market.
Okay. The management board of SEBI consists of
Management board. Yes, sir. Two representatives, sir. One from Finance Ministry and from Ministry of Corporate Affairs, sir. And then representative of RBI. And then three whole-time directors, whole-time members, two part-time members, and one chairperson, sir.
Okay. What is the tenure of them? Full-time members.
Sir, subject to 65 years. And then
5 years.
Is 5 years, sir.
Yeah. Then
Members can be reappointed, but whereas the chairperson cannot be reappointed, sir. After the tenure of 5 years.
on what grounds a person can be removed?
Yes, sir. When he is adjudicated as an insolvent, and then when he is declared by the court as unsound mind, and then if he is misuses powers, and then moral turpitude, sir. Not permitted for the moral turpitude, if any.
What are the functions of SEBI?
Function of SEBI, sir. To regulate the stock exchange, and then giving and renewing the license for stock exchanges, and then to restrict the insider trading, and then registering and regulating of brokers, RTAs, venture capitalists, and then underwriters, FII. That's it.
Also regulating the takeovers.
Okay. Yeah, regulating the takeovers. Yeah, perfect. Next. Aishwarya.
Yes, sir.
When will SEBI generally prohibit the issue of prospectus?
Yes, sir. Prohibition of issue of prospectus and offer documents. That is, if a promoter
Is debarred.
is debarred from accessing, is also will be debarred from accessing securities market. Or,
But that company also can do what issue?
but it can should right issue.
Rights issue. Exactly. Then next.
By them. And also if it's a default in payment of interest or redeeming the securities or converting the securities, if the 6 months have elapsed, such persons, also if he is a willful defaulter or if he do economic offender.
Fugitive economic offender. அப்படின்னா இந்த விஜய் மால்யா, it's like Vijay Mallya.
Yes, sir.
Fugitive economic offender. This fugitive word is newly introduced. Previously it is called willful defaulter. Now it is fugitive economic offender. Okay. What are the three powers of SEBI? What are the three powers of SEBI?
Promotion and regulation and testing.
No. General person, investigation power.
Yes, sir. Inspection power. Fourth power.
What are three? Come on, tell me one more time.
Inspection power, fourth power, and other powers, sir. So, inspection power is for the public company and the public company which is listed, and also the listed companies can be investigated and inspected. Then for the fourth power means we have said that summoning, enforcing attendance, and examining on oath, and inspecting and obtaining evidences, and also that is we can review the evidence and such things. Next thing is court power. These are things. Then other powers means we can suspend the officials and we can suspend the officers. We can suspend the trading. Also, we can attach those properties. That is, we can take those properties. We can arrest the person. We can detain the power of them also. So, by arresting, we have to get the permission from the magistrate of first class. Even also.
Okay, next.
For search and seizure also.
Can we seize anything, any properties?
Yes, sir. We can search and seize can also be done. That also we have to get the permission from the magistrate. First class magistrate.
Yeah. Then, what is the software the stock exchanges are using to safeguard the investors in transparent trade?
Bolt and
NEAT, N-E-A-T.
Yes, sir. That is
Bombay Stock Exchange is Bombay Online Trading Platform. Online Trading. Bombay Online Trading. NEAT means National Exchange Automated Trading. Okay, next. What is insider trading, Aishwarya?
Insider trading means unpublished price sensitive information. If some person knows such things, he should not disclose to the outsider who is trading on such securities. If it is done, then he will be punished.
How much punishment?
25 crores.
Or 3 times of the profit booked.
3 times for the profit.
Sir,
Tell me, Solra.
Sir, but this can be done in
Ordinary course of business. That's ordinary business.
Ordinary course of business.
That means you are the person who is eligible to disclose to general public. Now you can do it.
And then okay, sir, if that person has disclosed that he should not trade in that stock respective
Yeah,
stocks.
exactly. Yeah, that. Okay. Supraja, you tell me about Securities Appellate Tribunal. Supraja. So the Securities Appellate Tribunal. When you can go to Securities Appellate Tribunal? Within what time?
Within 45 days, sir. Active party can go to Securities Appellate Tribunal within 45 days.
Okay.
Even then, if it is aggrieved, then he can go to Supreme Court within a period of 60 days.
Who will be there as a presiding officer of SAT?
Does it tell that?
High Court judge.
Supreme Court judge, sitting or retired judge, Chief Judge of High Court,
Supreme Court.
7 years experienced judge,
Supreme Court, sir.
judicial member, technical member. There are 2 types. Then there is one thing called special court also. What type of different penalties the brokers has? Sai. Or Harini sollu. Sai, nee nariya solta. Wait, Harini solta. What are the different types of penalties, Harini?
SEBI penalties.
Brokers.
For brokers, if the brokers is cheating the investor, then the penalty is from rupees 1 lakh to 1 crore. And if the broker fails to issue the contract note, and if the penalty is rupees 1 lakh to the value of the contract. And if there is no contract that's being entered into, then it is 1 lakh to 1 crore. And
Contract note not delivered. Contract note not delivered within 24 hours. நிறைய இருக்கு தெரியும்ல. There is more. See that these penalties and all, it's very important. Okay. Please don't forget the penalties. Okay.
And if there is excess brokerage that is being charged, then it is 1 lakh to 5 times of
Yeah.
that excess amount.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Then we are going to LODR. கேக்குறதா LODR?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, LODR, if you are all ready today or we can discuss tomorrow. Because you should only tell the answers. I will just ask the question. என்னடா எல்லாரும் ரெடியா LODR இன்னைக்கு?
ஓல்டு சிலபஸ் கிடையாது இல்ல சார்.
ஓல்டு சிலபஸ் ஒருத்ததான்டா.
சார் நான் ஓல்டு சிலபஸ் தான் சார்.
அதான் பிரச்சனை. எனக்கு நியூ சிலபஸ் ஆன்சர் சொல்லணும். ஏய் நீ படிடா இவனே சாய்கிரன், யூ ஸ்டடி திஸ் பிகாஸ் கார்ப்பரேட் கவர்னன்ஸ்ல வரும் இதெல்லாம்.
ஓகே சார், நான் எதுக்கும் பார்த்துட்டேன் சார், கிளாஸ் பார்த்துட்டேன்.
கார்ப்பரேட் கவர்னன்ஸ்ல இருக்கு இதெல்லாம். See LODR they will not tell, but it's there in corporate governance for you, CMA ல.
ஓகே சார்.
Okay.
எஸ் சார்.
But I want other people to tell. அம்மா
Yes, sir.
ஐஸ்வர்யா ரெடியா?
Yes, sir. அந்த டேபிள் முழுக்க படிச்சிட்டேன் சார்.
Then ஹரிணி ரெடியா?
Yes.
Okay. So வேற யார் இருக்கா? பிரீத்தி, சுப்ரஜா சொல்லுவியா LODRலாம்? Okay. Now tell me what are the obligations for the listed entity? Why LODR came ma? In the year LODR, which year? 2015. It replaces what? Harini, LODR replaces what?
The listing agreements.
Listing agreements.
Previously,
Yeah.
listing.
LODR is applicable to which are the companies?
To all the listed companies, it is applicable, which are listed in the SME trading platform.
Which are listed in the normal platform, including SME trading platform, or even debt alone it's listed also, that also applicable. Okay, then whether any independent director of the holding company should be independent director of the subsidiary company as per LODR?
At least one independent director of the listed company shall be the director of the unlisted material subsidiary.
Exactly, unlisted material subsidiary. That is very important. What does that material subsidiary means?
So one more thing,
Yeah, tell me.
this independent director of the listed company should be the director or should be the independent director, sir?
Independent director.
Independent director. Okay.
See,
Sir, in the book it is given as at least one independent director in the board shall be a director.
one second, I'll just come out here. Yeah. சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
Sir, அதான் அந்த independent director வந்து bookல directorன்னு இருக்கு.
அதாம்மா, சி டைரக்டர் தான் சொல்லுவாங்க, ஆனா அவன் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்ல இருக்க மாட்டான் பேசிக்கலி.
Okay.
Okay, you won't have any other என்ன சொல்றது, you don't have any interest on this company, please understand. See, he will come here also as a supervisory person only. Next.
Yeah, and then material subsidiary is wherein at least 10% of the turnover is being contributed by any subsidiary to that holding company.
10 or 20?
Sorry, sir?
10 or 20?
10.
Actually, ரெண்டு regulations இருக்கு. ஒன்று 10 இருக்கு, ஒன்று 20 இருக்கு.
But இப்போ வந்து 10.
அதான் சொல்றேன் நான்.
கிளாஸ்ல 10 தான சார்?
10 தான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் நான். See, go for என்னது, even worst case scenario. Okay, 10 is most prudent.
சார் அந்த 10 ஒரு டவுட் சார், அந்த 10% 20% ன்றீங்கல்ல, அது மினிமமா?
Minimum.
Minimum.
See, in your consolidation, when you consolidate, for example, Jio is contributing major turnover to Reliance Industries.
Yes sir.
Jio is an unlisted subsidiary, correct?
ஆமா சார்.
Whether it is material or not?
It's material sir.
On the consolidation, if Jio is contributing 10% of the total turnover of Reliance Industries, then Jio is material. புரிஞ்சதா? Reliance has so many subsidiaries. Reliance Trends இருக்கு, Fresh இருக்கு, கரெக்டா, Digital இருக்கு.
Correct sir.
Jio is totally different.
அது एक्चुअली வேற கம்பெனி அவங்க இது பண்ணிருக்காங்க சார்.
அதோட now it becomes subsidiary, no?
Subsidiary.
அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சு. Next. Next ma. Quarterly compliance. Tell me some quarterly compliance. Supraja.
Grievances redressal mechanism.
Okay. Within how many days of the quarter?
Within 21 days from the end of the quarter, a reconciliation of all the grievances, that is what was the opening in any additions or deletions, what is left it shall be filed. Then a quarterly corporate governance report. Every listed company should submit this quarterly complaints report within 15 days from the end of each quarter.
Okay.
Then is quarterly report on holding specified securities or what is the shareholding pattern. Every listed company should submit this report. That is each class of securities. It should also be submitted within 21 days from the end of each quarter.
Corporate governance report, how many days? How many days corporate governance report?
15, sir.
15 days. Okay then.
Any change in the shareholding pattern that is beyond 2% change, it shall be reported
Okay.
within 10 days.
Then quarterly financial report within how many days?
45 days, sir.
Okay. For annual, see the fourth quarter will be mixed. No, so they told 60 days.
Okay, 60 days.
Okay. Then, now board meeting, how many days prior they should intimate the stock exchange?
5 days, at least 5 days in advance.
Yeah. As per section 173, notice. Saikiran, notice.
Short notice.
Die. Normal notice all time, da.
Shorter notice means at least 1
Normal notice.
independent directorship.
Dey, Aranjana, dey. What I am asking is, here it says that you should intimate at least 5 days before the meeting. Normal notice to the board meeting, how many days?
Yes, sir.
How many days notice should be given?
7 days, sir.
That's what I am asking.
7 days, sir.
Yeah. What are the other things to be told to the stock exchange at least 2 days before?
Things to be discussed like
Dividend.
Fund.
fundraising if any, and then bonus issue.
Say it, okay, done.
Then, yes, sir.
Next. Record date. Record date.
11 days estimation
7.
for terms and condition alteration.
7 days record date. Then
7 days, sir.
Record date is 7 days.
yeah.
5 days plus 2 days.
ஆமா அது dividend plus இந்த intimation சொல்லுவாங்க.
Dividend வந்து 2 days, sir. இது வந்து 5 days. Okay.
What is the role of compliance officer?
Role of compliance officer has to prepare the company secretary oda role da sir yearly appointing a
That is
company secretary.
coordination with the stock exchange. And compliance with this regulation NWR and conduct
Corporate
meetings.
governance.
With proper statements and concept right.
Then tell about something about corporate governance, Sai.
Sir,
Corporate governance, yeah. Some regulations.
Yes, sir. Every listed company should be aware about those rules and procedures, sir. They cannot deny that they are not aware about these things. And then they should appoint a company secretary who shall take care of those compliance procedures. Yes, sir. And then
Related party transaction.
Transaction.
they are not considered to be related party, sir.
அப்புறம்
Appointing such secretary shall not be considered as a related party.
Said policy should be reviewed every year.
yes, then
Related party transaction, approval of the related party transaction, and we have to formulate a policy for dealing with the related party transactions, and also for the materiality of the related party transaction. Also the threshold limit also they have but for prescribed by the provisions.
see we already studied in 188. No, same thing you should tell.
Every offer the access of
They
the
should,
related party transaction within 30 days.
30 days exactly, yeah.
Sir, they should use RTS help, sir. They should use the RTS.
Then, what are the two types of compliance report?
Doubt, sir.
Once again, வந்து முடிச்சிடலாம்.
Party transaction. You cannot approve the shareholders resolution. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த பக்கம் என்ன சொல்றது?
See, the interested shareholder cannot approve the related party transaction. They should abstain from voting.
Okay, normally. But now after this amendment, we have said now related party can reject the shareholders resolution. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்கீங்க என்னது?
எந்த இடத்துல இருக்கு? எந்த பாயிண்ட்?
இது இருக்கு டேபிள் இருக்கு இல்லையா சார்? முன்னாடி கொடுத்திருக்கேன்.
அதை விட நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதை முடிச்சிடுவோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் அது வருவோம்.
Okay sir, sorry.
இங்க கம்ப்ளைன்ஸ் ரிப்போர்ட். சுப்ரஜா, what are the two types of compliance report?
Brand usage.
புரியல.
Sir, any payment or receipt relating to brand usage.
அதான் இந்த ரிலையன்ஸ்லாம் பிராண்ட் இருக்குல்ல, அவங்க அதே ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. எல்லா கம்பெனிஸும் அதே பிராண்ட் தான் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. எவ்ரிவன் இஸ் யூசிங் த சேம் பிராண்ட், நோ?
Yes, sir.
அது கூட ரிலேட்டட் பார்ட்டி டிரான்சாக்ஷன் தானே? தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ரிலேட்டட் பார்ட்டி டிரான்சாக்ஷன்.
Okay.
Then compliance report, what are the two types?
Compliance report.
Supraja.
Quarterly complaints report, sir.
Exactly. Then how many days within which you should file?
Within the 15 days to the end of the quarter.
Then annual compliance report,
Annual complaints.
within how many days?
6 months from the end of the financial year.
Exactly. Then what are the committees to be formed as per LODR regulations?
Audit committee. There is a similar same provisions as per section 177.
Example. Tell me some rules. You tell me. How many directors will be there?
And third, what should be at least independent.
என்னது? 1/3 should be independent. Minimum 3 directors, out of which majority shall be independent.
Okay, three. Okay, majority should be independent. The chairman should be financially literate.
All members should be financially literate. Actually, chairman should be an independent director. Okay. Then what is the how many times they should meet in a year? 4 times. படிக்கவே இல்ல. Okay. What is the time gap? 120 days maximum.
Okay, sir.
Then nomination and nomination committee, same like 178.
178, yes.
Then come on, tell me about risk management committee.
Risk management is
Is
Which company is applicable?
of 500 listed companies on the basis of market capitalization.
based on the based on market capitalization. The chairman shall be the member of the board. And senior officer of the company will be the members of the company.
Okay, done. Next.
And they will ensure, or they will look after what are the risks that will affect the company.
Then now you ask that tables doubt.
Yes, sir. First is related party transaction. Is normally we are abstain from voting. The related party directors they abstain from vote. Sir, but now after amendment they can vote to reject the shareholder resolution. It has said what it means.
அது எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இருக்குன்னு மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. ரெகுலேஷன் நம்பர் சொல்லுங்க.
23 subsection 4, sir.
That's what related party shall not vote to approve shareholders resolution. அப்படின்னா the related shareholder should abstain themselves from voting அர்த்தம்.
அப்படிதானே சார்?
ஆமா.
சரி. Can vote to rejected கொடுத்திருக்கேல அதனால தான் நான்
அது சேம் தான் அது.
Then the independent director, sir, regulation 16(1)(b)(8), not a non-independent director of another company on the board. And கொஞ்சம் வரட்டும் கொஞ்சம்.
அது எந்த இடத்துல இருக்கு? என்ன ரெகுலேஷன் நம்பர்?
16(1)(b)(8).
16(1)(b)(2). பேஜ் நம்பர் அது
251, sir. 251.
251. 251ல எத்தனாவது பாயிண்ட்?
லாஸ்ட்ல இருக்கு சார். லாஸ்ட்ல இருக்கு.
Okay, yeah. Verify if any independent director falls into this criteria. Okay. Following new criteria added. Who is not a non-independent director of another company on the board of which any non-independent director of a listed company is a independent director. அதாவது நம்மளோட independent director if he is a normal director of another company.
எனக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளோட ப்ளீஸ் சார்.
Aishwarya is an independent director of Krishnan Limited, which is listed company.
ஓகே சார்.
Okay, Aishwarya is a normal director in Harini Limited,
ஓகே சார்.
which is not listed company.
Not listed company.
Okay, see, please understand. The person who is not a non-independent director of another company
Okay.
on the board of which any non-independent director of the listed company is independent director. அப்படின்னா ஒரு கம்பெனில நீ இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் டைரக்டரா இருக்க. ஓகே, யூ ஆர் தேர் as independent director in one company.
Okay sir.
You are not an independent director in another company.
Okay.
So இவங்க என்ன சொல்லிருப்பாங்கன்னா,
I cannot be independent director.
basically they are telling if they are normal director in other companies,
Okay.
don't put them as independent director.
Okay sir.
Let them be independent director in all the companies.
Okay.
Can you able to understand? From 2018-19 onwards, okay, if you are an independent director of one company, you can be only independent director in other companies.
சார் அப்போ ஒரு ப்ரொவிஷன்ல வந்து ஹோல் டைம் டைரக்டரா இருந்தா மூணு கம்பெனில இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் டைரக்டரா இருக்கலாம் அப்படி கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க இல்லையா?
See, இப்போ listed company எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டான் ஃபுல்லா. All listed company, you can, if you have independent director, they cannot do whole time directorship in any company.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார்.
Okay, that is the reason they told chairman and managing director should not be the same person.
எஸ் சார்.
அந்த அளவுக்கு they made sure. Mostly chairman will be independent director.
Okay.
அந்த அளவுக்கு they are trying to make sure.
So a person who is a normal director in another unlisted company cannot be a independent director in the listed company.
அந்த அளவுக்கு they are making the regulations.
Okay sir.
But அது ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா கொடுக்க மாட்டான் அவன்.
Okay.
Then what else? See, all this dabba, I will know.
Yes sir.
Questions and all will not be asked. I have given this. That's all. For your own tomorrow, if you are going to do any listed company audit,
Okay sir.
you should prepare the checklist. That is the reason I have given this.
Okay sir.
Questions and all will not be asked from this.
Okay sir. அப்ப இது PCS னு சொல்லிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா சார்?
Ah.
Certificate PCS for
PCS na practicing company secretary.
ஓ அப்படியா சார்? சரி சார்.
Simple.
நெட்ல போட்டு பார்த்தா ப்ரொவிஷனல் சிவில் சர்வீஸ் இருக்கு.
இல்ல PCS na practicing company secretary.
சரி சார்.
So it's actually simple. They won't ask big question and all, but you should know what is LODR. Okay. So பார்க்க தான் பெருசா இருக்கு அமர் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ். Very simple. So tomorrow we will sit on FEMA. FEMA is very interesting. Please complete FEMA and come tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See you. Bye bye.